The increment and decrement operators are used to increase or decrease the value of a variable by 1. They are denoted by plus plus and minus minus. These operators can be applied only to a variable. Plus plus operator applied over a variable can be thought of as a shorthand to increase the value by 1 and assign to itself. So let us say if we have a variable I, we assign a value 5 to it. Now the statement I equal to I plus 1, cout value of I is I, and run the program. The output we get is the value of I is 6. Now if we replace the statement I equal to I plus 1 by I plus plus and run the program, again the output we get is value of I is 6. So we see I plus plus has the same effect as the statement I equal to I plus 1. Similarly, the statement I equal to I minus 1 has the same effect as I minus minus. Try using decrement operator by yourself and see the output. Since these operators modify the actual value of the variable they are applied to, it does not make any sense to apply them to a number or expressions. Hence, we can apply these operators only to a variable. There are two types of increment operators, pre-increment and post-increment. And same for decrement operators, pre-decrement and post-decrement. These are denoted by I plus plus for post-increment and plus plus I for pre-increment. The post-increment operator uses the current value of the variable in the expression and increments the variable when the statement is completed and a semicolon is encountered. For example, let us see this code. Here, the variable I is assigned value 5 and the value I plus plus is assigned to a variable num. Let us see the output of this program. Here, you will notice num has the value 5 and I has the value 6. Why? Because num was assigned value I plus plus. So in the current statement, initial value of I, which is 5, is used and is assigned to num. When the statement completes, value of I becomes 6. So when you print num, it has value 5, and when you print I, it has value 6. Now, instead, if we use the pre-increment operator by writing plus plus sign before I, can you guess what will be the output? See it by yourself by editing the code.